In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with ClickUp. By the end, you'll have Slack and ClickUp talking to each other so you can share tasks, keep conversations connected, and streamline notifications right where your team already collaborates. Quick note up front, this integration works with the Slack web app, and depending on your workspace's permissions, an owner or admin may need to approve it. If you don't see the options I mentioned, reach out to your workspace admin. Start in ClickUp. From any list or your main workspace view, look to the left sidebar and find the More option. Click that, then choose Apps. This opens the app directory where you can connect ClickUp to a range of tools. In the search bar at the top, type Slack. You should see the Slack integration appear in the results. Click Slack to open its details page so you can start the connection. Next, click Connect. A Slack authorization window will pop up. If you aren't already signed in, Slack may ask you to log in first. Then you'll be prompted to choose the correct Slack workspace and review the permissions that allow ClickUp and Slack to work together. These permissions enable things like expanding task links in Slack and letting ClickUp send updates to selected channels. When you're ready, click Allow. After a moment, you'll be sent back to ClickUp with the integration connected. That's all it takes. To confirm it's working, paste a ClickUp task link into a Slack channel or direct message. Slack should automatically unfurl the link, showing key details like the task name, status, priority, and more, so teammates can understand the context at a glance. From Slack, you can also take advantage of handy actions such as saving important messages to your ClickUp notepad, turning a message into a new ClickUp task, or adding a message as a comment on an existing task, keeping decisions traceable and centralized. If you don't see Slack in the apps directory or the connect button is disabled, double check that you have the right permissions in your ClickUp workspace. Sometimes a quick refresh helps, and updating to the latest version of ClickUp never hurts. Also, be sure you're connecting the correct Slack workspace, especially if you're a member of multiple workspaces. And that's it.